Welcome to another insightful demonstration brought to you by Nikit engineers. In the fast-paced world of heavy manufacturing, efficiency is paramount. Today we are showcasing the Racking Beam Welder, a marvel of automation from Nikit engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions India. Designed for precision and speed, the Racking Beam Welder is capable of handling a wide range of beam sizes, from the compact 40 by 40 to the robust 180 by 180. Whether it's roll-formed or structural beams, this machine delivers consistent welds with impressive efficiency. With a production rate that ranges from 23 to 39 seconds per beam, it stands as one of the fastest in the industry. But what truly sets the Racking Beam Welder apart is its advanced technology. Equipped with all-axis interpolative, it seamlessly moves the weld torch along both the curvature and linear profile, ensuring smooth, precise welds every time. Manufactured by Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions India, a leading name in automated welding machines, the Racking Beam Welder is trusted by heavy manufacturing industries worldwide. For industrial professionals in aerospace, pharmaceuticals, automotive, oil and gas, earth-moving, warehouse designing, and beyond, the Racking Beam Welder sets the standard for efficiency, precision, and reliability. Experience the future of welding automation with Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotic Solutions India. Contact us today to learn more, and for more such video content like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.